Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie VO, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. So today I am really excited about this video. In today's video, I want to teach you how to start your own YouTube channel and show you how much money you can actually make with ad revenue with a small channel between 1,000 and 5,000 subscribers. I'm going to show you how much money I have made with my small channel called Sparkle English. On this channel, I teach people how to improve their level of English, and I started it just about a year ago. I was able to monetize the channel in December, and I'm going to show you how much money I have made in the past nearly 3 months monetizing this channel. Before I started creating content for YouTube, I thought that you had to have tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of subscribers in order to actually make good money on YouTube. But after I monetized my first channel and now my second channel, I've realized that you actually don't have to have that many subscribers and you can still make pretty good money. The most important thing is that you're putting out content on YouTube. You might put out a video now and not have many views for the next 6 months, and then after 6 months, it could completely go viral, your funny video or whatever video it is, as long as the content is good and worth watching. You might notice that when you're browsing on YouTube, a video will pop up from 5 years ago, and it's crazy how many people have watched this video. For example, the other day in my YouTube feed popped up a video about a waffle falling over, and that had millions of views. And it's crazy to me, but sometimes silly videos can accumulate a huge amount of views, and these people are making a lot of money on these videos. The most important thing is to just start. Start your YouTube channel, start publishing videos, because you never know where it will lead you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize, how to check your stats to see if you can qualify for monetization, because you do have to have and meet certain criteria. Then I'll show you how to apply, what it looks like when you apply for monetization, and then exactly how much money I started making back in December when I was able to monetize my channel, and how much money I'm making now with a channel that had between 2,000 and 5,000 subscribers in the past 3 months. This is something that is possible for you to start. You can be anywhere in the world creating content for YouTube and making money for it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I will teach you all sorts of different ways that you can make money online as a freelancer, as a YouTuber, as a transcriptionist. There are so many different ways to make money online, and I give you real and genuine advice on how you can do it. So let's get started. So first, I want to talk to you about the criteria you need to turn on monetization on your channel. What this means is that you will apply to become part of YouTube's partner program, and you'll get paid from ads that are displayed during the video or with overlay and display ads. So in order to apply to YouTube's partner program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and your channel must have at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. You also need to make sure that your channel and content follows YouTube's guidelines and policies. So first, I want to show you where you can check the stats of your channel to see how close you are to being able to monetize. So go to your channel, then click on the circle profile icon on the top right, then go to YouTube Studio. Then click on monetization. Then here you'll see the criteria you need to apply to be a YouTube partner. And you'll see these 2 meters here telling you how close you are to reaching both the 1,000 subscriber count and the 4,000 public watch hours. You can click on Notify Me when I'm eligible as well, so you'll get an email when you meet the criteria. Okay, now let's switch back to my Sparkle English channel a few months ago before I was able to monetize it. You can see I was at 1,260 subscribers, but only at 884 public watch hours. So this was frustrating because I had the amount of subscribers, but I needed so many more public watch hours, and that takes a lot of time to get to 4,000. So I decided that I needed to make longer videos and upload those to my channel to increase the total public watch hours. It does take a long time to reach 4,000 hours if you are only publishing short videos a few times a month. So you really need to create a lot of great videos that are longer, with some videos over 10 minutes to get this number up faster. A few months after this, I took this screenshot, and you can see I was at 2,840 subscribers and only 20 public watch hours away from being able to monetize, which was really exciting. So once I was finally able to apply for monetization, this blue Apply Now button became available for me to select. I clicked on that and then went through a 3-step process. Step 1 is to review the partner program terms and agree to them. Step 2 is to sign up for Google AdSense. I already had an account, so I just had to connect it. You can only have one AdSense account per person. So if you have multiple YouTube channels, you will use the same Google AdSense account and connect all of those channels within the one AdSense account. Once you connect Google AdSense, you'll see a done box under both steps 1 and 2. Step 3 will switch to in progress, and YouTube will be reviewing your application. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to a video that I recorded back on December 1st, 2020, when I was really excited and got accepted very fast into the YouTube Partner Program for this channel. So keep in mind that this was recorded on December 1st, 2020. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once you get accepted. Then I'll switch back and show you my stats a few months later, as of right now, almost the end of February, and show you how much I'm making on this small channel of mine. Hey everyone, I am so excited. I just got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program for the second time, and this time on my Sparkle English channel. I'm really excited. I applied yesterday and my status was in review, and they said it could take up to 30 days. Then I was doing some research and saw that for some people, they got it in a week and other people had to wait months. But I very fortunately was lucky and was accepted within 1 day. So it popped up right when I went into YouTube Studio. It popped up and said, "Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your videos and access support." Then they also have this little notification here. It says, "Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program." So I'm going to go ahead and click at the top, click Monetize Videos. So it's going to ask you, do you want to monetize existing videos? And yeah, I want to monetize all videos now. There's one video I don't want to monetize, which is my intro to the channel, but I figure it'll be easier for me to monetize all the videos, and then later on I can just unmonetize the ones I do not want to monetize. So here you're going to choose the types of ads. Now here, non-skippable video ads, I'm going to turn that off just because I find that if you don't have the option to skip an ad, a lot of people will click off the video and I don't want that. So I'm just going to leave it as these ones here, and then I'm going to click Apply Preferences. Now it's saying updating videos. It's safe to navigate away. Wait before making another bulk update. And you can see here that right now monetization is clicked as off for all of these different videos. But once they update, I'm sure that's going to change to on. Good. Now it's on. So you can see all of these different videos are now being monetized. This one is off for some reason. I'm going to put it on. I don't know why. So once you're in your video, you can go over here to monetization. You can see that a lot of my videos on this channel are short. So this one's 2 minutes and 55. And only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for ads during the video, but I still get ads at the beginning. Now, just click on Analytics at the side here, and now that I've been approved, this little box has popped up as well that says your estimated revenue. It's just started to monetize the videos now, so this should be popping up. Well, at the end of, I'd give it a couple days. Usually it's at the end of every day. It'll show up for what you would have earned the day previously. Okay, so the second part of this video I am recording on February 26th, and I'm going to show you my stats right now, how many videos I have, how big this channel is currently, and then show you the progression of how much I have made since I started monetizing just back in December, so almost 3 months ago. So right now I'm at 5,000, almost 5,500 subscribers, and I have a total of 35 videos. I'm only monetizing 34 of them because I'm not monetizing my intro video. And you can see, let's sort by popularity. So my most popular videos are up here with 66,000, the next one 13,000, 13,000, 12,000. So again, these aren't 66,000, sure, this is great, but a lot of them are just 5,000, 12,000, and then I have some that are really small, or even my latest videos, which are still, not even getting to 50 views. The important thing is to start releasing videos, because all of these videos that you can see are most popular. This one was 11 months ago, 10 months ago, so it's important to get them out there on YouTube, because sometimes a video can start to gain in popularity a year down the road, and that's when it'll start making you money. But you need to start putting the videos on YouTube, so eventually, someone's going to see your content and they're going to like it, and you'll start getting more and more views and more subscribers. So let's check out my analytics. So we're going to click on Go to Channel Analytics, and you can see here, this is how much money I have made in the last 28 days on this channel. So $299.37. That, I think that it should be a little bit more than that because this is minus 1 day, but this is within 28 days. So let's click here on revenue. So you can see that yesterday, or a couple days ago on February 24th, I made $15, $14, $12. So each day it's ranging. It can vary. But overall, it is going up. You can see the last 7 days, I made $65. But really, this is just for 6 days because they're not including the next day. It still has to be processing the data. This is just for 6 days. So this should normally be a little bit more, be like around $80. And then what we can do is click on December 2020. So I actually started monetizing my channel on the 1st of the month. So this was the very first day when I started monetizing it, I made $6. And I was expecting it to be a little bit less because I just started monetizing the channel. But every day, it didn't turn out to be so bad. I made $144.50 from my very first month of monetizing, and I had much less subscribers then as well. So we know that back in December, I only had just over 2,000 subscribers, and I made $144.50. And then the next month in January, I made, it went up by 70%. I made $246 that month. And now we're into February and it's not even finished yet. And I'm at $272. And we still have a few days left of the entire month. So this will be even more. This will be closer to over 300. So it is growing my channel, slow but steady. And so the total I have made so far out of these, this is 161,000 views so far. Now you can see this channel dates way back to 2016, but I didn't actually start publishing videos until I believe I started at the beginning of 2020, and I was slowly publishing more and more videos. Let's click on 2020. Okay, so you can see here I published my first video February 23rd, 2020. Oh, that's just about a year ago. And then 2 more videos and another 2, then another 2. And I was just very slowly building this channel. If I could go back, I would do even more videos, but I was just doing this as an experiment to see if people liked the content. And then it slowly has started growing, and I'm really happy with this channel, and I want to grow this channel even more. So you can see in 2020, I gained 3.4 thousand subscribers, but I wasn't actually able to start monetizing the channel until December. So, this was just sort of building the channel, getting the subscribers, getting the public watch hours. And by the time I reached that, I started monetizing in December and I started publishing videos in February. So this was a slow growth process. I believe I could have done this much faster if I had started, if I had released longer videos from the beginning, but I kept releasing little short videos. So it took me so long to get the 4,000 public watch hours. But I think the most important thing that you do is just start putting your videos out there on YouTube, keep putting them out there, make sure they're good content, that people are going to like them, and then you're going to start building an audience and gaining more subscribers and gaining more views. And now we can look at my lifetime revenue. So since December 1st, so that's almost 3 months, I've made 663 on this channel. And this channel, has had between 2,000 to 5,000 subscribers for the majority of this time. Okay. So I'm really happy with this channel, and I think this channel is going to grow a lot in the next year. So I will keep you updated on my progress with this. And I want to show you something you can use for a little bit of research. This is called the Influencer Marketing Hub. You can sign up and it's free. I have a free account with this, and you can sort of get an estimated idea of how much a channel is making by putting in the channel URL here, or the estimated total earnings by video. For example, this video just popped up. Kitten needs constant attention. This is just a random video that YouTube recommended me, and and it was published in 2014. But now everyone seems to watch this video, and it's just a silly video of a kitten meowing, wanting this guy's attention. And they're monetizing this video, and they're making a lot of money. And it's just one simple video. So to check how much this is making on average, we're going to click share, copy to copy the link. And then we're going to put it in the money calculator. And you can see here, this is how much they're saying this video has made, almost $20,000. Obviously, it's a lot of views, but just a simple little video like this that you put on there, it's not like they even have a lot of crazy SEO or keywords. It just says kitten needs constant attention, and then that's it. And they're getting all of this different ad revenue. And then here's another one, a ferret shows human her babies. This one has 38 million. Let's check this one out. This video apparently has earned them almost $70,000. It's absolutely crazy how much money people can make based on these little silly videos that can end up going viral. So my advice to you is think of what you want to do on your YouTube channel. Maybe you have a dog and you have some hilarious videos of your dog doing something funny. Put it on YouTube and just put something like, silly dog, whatever. Just put in some keywords and just put it out there. Share it on your social media, share the link with your friends and family. And then over time, people will start to see your video. And then it could be a couple years from now that all of a sudden that video goes viral. And now you've got a $70,000 video that's going to continue to make you more and more money passively. So you don't necessarily even have to have a really successful channel to make money. Like this woman here, if we click on her account, you can see she only has these videos here, almost no videos, but this one has 10 million views, and this is making her all this money from 6 years ago. And she ended up getting 10,000 subscribers. So if she started putting more videos that were similar to this one, more videos about this kitten, for example, I'm sure people are subscribing to her, wanting to see more videos about her kitten. So you don't even need to have a polished, beautiful channel. It could just be funny videos, interesting videos, almost anything. Even these unboxing videos. If you order from Amazon a lot, start doing unboxing videos. If you like to cook, if you like to do crafts, there are so many different ideas for videos that you can do. The important thing is to get started and put them out there. You might not get success right away, but you put in the effort now, and years to come, it could really pay off for you. So that is sort of my inspirational talk for you today. I just wanted to show you how this little channel has grown and will continue to grow the more work I put into it. So I will be doing more videos on YouTube on how to create content for YouTube, video editing, and so forth, and even give you some channel ideas. But this is just an idea of how much money you can make and how long it will take you to start making money once you start a YouTube channel. So guys, if you like this video, please click like, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see you in my next tutorial.